shit!
Sure. Just keep coming through, mate. You'll be right.
So if they've got a seniors meal, then I'll buy a seniors meal. The Ari used to do. Holy fuck! Idiot!
Get out of the way!
Who cares what you sow and what you reap? It's Greg who missed the stop sign. And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
You can't park there, Dave.
front of me. Good on you, mate.
Get the latest news anytime with our providers, Camera Cars, Podcast. Support local, save big. Demonero Springs winter sale. Save up to 25% off.
Good on you, fuckhead.
I'm back, and I'm better than ever. Got a knack for making things.
Suez Canal links Europe and Asia without going around Africa. Similarly, the Panama Canal connects the Atlantic and Pacific across the Americas. The Trans-Pacific and Transatlantic routes, linking major ports in Asia, Europe, and North America, see constant traffic.
Conviction, they'd really like you to have that. But if you don't have that, they'd like you to be competent. Now, if you have shown that you are neither have any conviction nor any competence, then you've failed at both hurdles. And I think the real issue now in Victoria is, can the Liberal Party address the slide enough?
There's no society when fascism is present.
Can you give me a definition?
I don't.
What are you doing?
Really,
You're in that
know
fucking
if I have to
lane.
give you a definition because I'm fighting for how I feel. Of course.
I don't think I'm going to be able to get near him. What is this guy doing? Dickhead. You fuckstick. Jeez. Fucking Commodore drivers. Have a crash! Oh, that'll teach you for fucking pulling out in front of me and being a dick. That's indicator, fuckstick. Bit late now, lug nut. Fucking idiot. We're not even getting through the lights with this shit. Fucking. See if we can squeeze this prick out. So what we're going to do is, when the light goes green, again, this guy's a dipshit, the left lane ends up ahead, and he's got to try and come over. Now, depending on how quick the cars in front of me go, I may be in a good position to block him out. And that is what we're going to do. God damn it. Timmy! Go fuck yourself.
It's deja vu. The silence doesn't come as a shock because we've already heard it once. Back when Tony was lying on the kitchen. And for those still hunting for clues, yes, Tony is essentially dressed the same in both scenes.
That's
the
bullshit.
shirt pattern nearly identical,
fake lights on his
mocking
car.
the
You have lift?
Idiot. What a muppet. A dick. I remember that McDonald's. That's the one when the funny one was all locked up. I think. Oh, this is a funny roundabout. Oops. Ooh. Wow, he does that and gives me the finger. What an idiot.
Idiot.
So maybe he figures it out. Gets into the correct lane. Motorcycle rider. Look at this fucktard. What an idiot.
what I buy. Going through customs, nothing is over the top. Except for the ride, I made it custom. Yeah, billions rings, keeping it clean. I never custom.
Go now, and we're also starting to see reports come out of the region that there are at least a dozen US Navy ships stopping all vessels from entering and exiting Iranian ports, cutting off what is a crucial lifeline for the Iranian regime, stopping them.
For fuck's sake, how many dickheads am I going to encounter in this spot today? Where are you?
You have legal right to fly that drone over someone's building.
Where are you going?
Right, so now you want to talk again.
No
Okay,
fucking
so
right
I'm asking a
turn.
question. Answer the question.
One for Scotty.
You have left the school zone.
One, isn't it?
You have
What would
entered
that
the
be?
school zone.
70s, yes?
75.
That's good of me.